Good morning to all teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in sharing us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. As Dr. Abdul Kalam would have said, I believe there is no other profession in the world that is more important to society than that of a teacher. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better human. They are the sources of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you everyone.